previous video I showed you how to export this as an STL, and what I want to show you is you can get a better quality STL out of the MakeHuman if you don't want to take it into Blender. So this model I'm going to save as test1 and export it. Yes, I'll write the file for me. It'll take a few seconds to do it. And then I'm going to rename it test2. But up here along the top, you've got an icon here, and that says smooth. If you click on that and now do the same export, again, this will take a few seconds to do it, this will give you a better quality of STL. So here you can see I've brought the two files into Super Slicer. The one on the left is test1 and the one on the right is test2. Test1 did not have the smoothing button clicked, and here you can see it's not a very good STL, whereas the one on the right, this one, has had subdivision added. So at this point, the next thing I would do, I would right click on this and I would go fix through NetFab, and this can take a few seconds to do while it goes through the model. But what you'll see a change here where you've got the dark coloured green within the figure. That will all change colour as it's getting fixed. You can see it's already fixed 1800 errors, but now that is ready for us to export. So at this point I would right click, export STL. You can keep it the same name, click on save. Yes, I will. And then I would next take this into Shitterbox.